Hi guys, Lucas from Lucas Cars. Today we're going on a drive at the Peak District with a couple of mates. I've got Craig now in the GT86. Also me and Ollie that you've seen before as well on the channel with his Fiesta ST. There's also James that's got a 300ZX which is running like 600 and something horsepower, which is quite a crazy car to be fair. There's a couple of other people as well. I've got like a Bath. I'm not sure what the other two cars are as well that Ollie says his mates are bringing, but yeah, should be quite good. So we'll get there, I'll show you around the cars quickly and then we'll be off on the adventure. Hi guys, so just a quick update on the journey so far. We are now en route. We've just sort of breached the first bit of the Peak District as such. Sorry, I was just watching a car overtake someone in front of us there. Yeah, it started raining as well, so it's not the best road conditions to be fair for a drive. Hopefully the camera's not too wobbly because Craig's car's on the stiffer side of suspension, but yeah, it's going alright so far. Everyone seems to be doing alright, no one's broken down as such yet. So yeah, I'll update you when we get to somewhere else or somewhere I can show you the cars or something like that. Enjoy.
Hang on, well there's a fucking car on the way.
Well yeah, back on the move again. We just stopped off at Morrison's to get some snacks and stuff for the trip. We have got Ollie leading now, so we should be able to see a couple more of the cars in front rather than us being at the front. We can sort of see them from behind. We have got James behind us as well. You can't really see it, I can't fully move the camera, but I'll get some clips of his car as well. So yeah, get to it on the route to the petrol station now though, because Craig's only got half a tank left and James is also struggling on fuel. But yeah, once we get to there we will be going to the Snake Pass, which is like the main road that we're going to today. So yeah, let's get to it. Yeah, this is good driving as well, Craig.
We're on a bit of wobble there as we slow down. I'll puddle a bit, that was a bit scary.
Yeah, just a bit. Right, we're now on Snake Pass. We have been split up again a bit. We did wait for Ollie and Rob to catch back up, in which they have now, but we've lost Callum. So we gain one to lose one, unfortunately. But we're basically just going to drive through it. We're sort of about halfway now-ish. I sort of had the clips in between and that, so you can sort of see Craig's driving ability. Or inability.
Nice.
That's being harsh. No, he is a good driver, to be fair. But yeah, I'll get as many clips as I can. Hopefully I get some outside of the car as well, because I want to get some of James's car, because it's a fucking weapon. Sounds awesome. And you've probably seen some clips of it already, and you already can sort of vouch for that. So yeah, let's carry on with the journey. So we're back on the road now after having a bit of a break. Callum, James, Zach and Reese have all gone home now. So it's just left me, Ollie, Craig and Rob as well. That's in the Scirocco at the back. You can't see him, but I'm pointing. He's there somewhere. We've got Ollie in front as well. Ollie is leading us to somewhere. We don't really know where we're going, to be honest. But he promises that we've got some good roads, so hopefully should be quite good, because I do want to get some out of the car shots, which I haven't managed to get yet because it has been quite busy, to be honest. Yeah, I'll update you when we get to sort of a better spot to do some video clips.
Was it? It was some got air. Fucking hell. I came out of my seat.
As well. It's the second bounce that was horrific there. Welcome to the bumpiest road in Britain.
Sheep!
Right, so we've just stopped off at Stange Edge, something like that. I don't know what it's called. We basically followed Ollie here in the ST.
What's good, YouTube?
Yes, it's quite a nice spot. I've been here only one time before in the Corsa, which is quite a nice spot in terms of like the actual view, because you can see we're like really high up with everything. I think there is one more spot that we are going to go to, which Ollie's got in mind for us to go. I'll try and get some more clips and stuff of the car before we actually get there. But yeah, you want to ramp it?
Why is it always me who ends up doing the interesting thing?
Right, let's get to it.
It's good, YouTube. My name's Ollie. So we've actually put the 2.2 turbo diesel tranny engine in it. It sounds pretty good. We're after great.
Let's get some soundage.
2.2 tranny engine, 450 at the wheels.
That's right, YouTube, you heard it first here from Ollie with his Fiesta ST. 2 litre tranny engine.
It's standard!
No.